Okay, exercise 9, page 98. I want to review the first one they gave the answer to. This is exercise 9. It says, I want to know more about your name. So first, let's just, again, always practice. Let me use my marker. Where is the verb in the first sentence? Here. I'm going to put a V. That's the verb. So the pronoun, the subject pronoun is I. I want to know more about your name. Remember, this is actually the object. Okay? So this one is the subject. And this is a pronoun. And this one would just be an object noun, right? Because it's he, she, it, an object noun. So I want to know more about your name. Tell, in the book it says me. Something about it. Now, let's make some room real quick. So where is the verb? Okay, so the verb is actually right in front. When you are doing a command like sit down, stop talking, don't touch, those are all commands and they all start with a verb. In English, a long time ago, we would say, you tell me. So this comes after the verb. It's still the object. You tell me something about you. But over time, we wanted to make our sentences shorter. We don't say, you tell me, you stop, you sit down. We just say, sit down, stop talking. So it still has a subject. We just don't use it when we do a command or an order. We're telling somebody what to do. But this pronoun still comes after the verb. So it's me. So don't forget when you're doing a command, that first word is usually a verb. And if you're going to use a pronoun, it's going to be the object. Okay? So we're going to do the next one. I use, so where's the verb? Well, let's read it and then do the verb. I use my middle name when I sign my name. But I don't use, this should be I don't use. Yes, it should have an E here. I don't use blank any other time. So let's find the verb of the first sentence. We'll find all the verbs. I use, that's the verb. My middle name when I sign, so there's another verb, my name. But I don't use, this is the other verb, any other time. So here's use, they use the subject pronoun at the beginning. I use my middle name. Okay? That could be a sentence by itself. I use my middle name. When is like time. When I sign my name. I sign my name. But I don't use. So here we have the subject pronoun. Here's the verb. I don't use. So here we go. Subject, I'm going to put S. And I'm going to put object. So in this second sentence, this is subject, this is verb, this is object. I don't use my middle name. How can I make that an object pronoun? I don't use it any other time. My children's names are, so we have, my children's names are Madison and Jacob. So this side of the sentence is the subject area, verb. Make sure we put verb. And then this is the object. This is receiving it. So here we go. My children's names are Madison and Jacob. We is referring to my, like it could be mom and dad, like my children. So if I'm standing next to my husband, I would say, my children, you know. And then we call, my husband and I, we call, this is the verb. So anything after the verb is going to be the object noun. So we call who? My children, Maddie and Jake. We call them. Okay? You could write the sentence, we call my children, Maddie and Jake, but it just makes the sentence very long. Okay? You are, so there's my verb, and you is the subject pronoun. You are a new student. I don't know. So what's the object pronoun of you? You. Still the same. So you are a new student. I don't know you. All right. So you're going to try 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, 5, 6, and 7 on your own, and then check the answer on Canvas.